Safari Park, especially here in our show, the Amazing Creature of the World show. By the way, my name is Abir and I'll be your presenter for today. So tell me guys, are you excited for the show? Can I see your thumbs up? Everyone in the back. Great. Since you're so excited for the show, let's start with our animal and let's call on our hornbill. Let's call the other one on the next slide. Alright, now say these are our black hornbill or buffalo hornbill. These birds, they are endemic in Papua New Guinea, Solomon Island, and even as far as Australia. I know they are totally different, right? Because they are dimorphic. It means you can easily see the difference between the male and the female from their appearance. The one with me here is the male one, and his name is Harry. The other bird is my partner. This is the female, and her name is Dalisa. I know it's not easy for you guys to see their eyelashes, but they do have eyelashes that will protect their eyes from dust and debris. And you know that here in Dubai Safari, we have successfully bred another pair of these beautiful birds, and you can meet them in the main entrance at the glass building. So now let's give them a big round of applause, Harry and Dalisa. Alright, now let's move on and keep your eyes on stage, because soon our next animals, they are known with their quills on their back. Some people mistake them as pigs, but actually it's not a pig. They are round with quills. So let's see who can guess. Let me give you a small hint. The first letter is P. Porcupine. Great answer. And here they are. Now on stage, these are our Indian crested porcupine, and they are the third largest rodent in our planet. The porcupine's best defense is their quills on their back. You know, some people think that they can shoot them like in the movies, but of course they cannot. They will just go backward to protect themselves. Their quills will be loose, and they will stick on face, skin, and mouth. And of course, it will hurt a lot. So let's give them a big round of applause, our porcupine. You know, guys, for some animals, it's not easy for them to find their favorite food in the wild. But it's not the same issue for the raccoons. Come on, guys. Yeah, I can see one this side. And let's see the other one who's hiding. Where are you? You are a little bit shy today. Must have to wait for them. Alright, and as you can see, the trash bins are an easy target for the raccoons. Actually, they will not do a lot of effort to find their favorite food in the wild. They will just wait for us, so we throw the garbage, and later on they will try to find for their food inside our trash bins. That's why some people, they will not like that. You know what they will do to get rid of from these animals? They will try to kill them by shooting them, and even worse, by poisoning them. But the raccoon's main diet consists of rodents. So if no more raccoons, that means we'll have a lot of rodents. And of course, it's not nice at all. Just take a look here what he's doing. Actually, we put water inside these bins, and they have food. So usually, when they need to eat in the wild, they will try to wash their food before they eating it. That's why some people, they call them the washing bears. As we saw before, they are omnivores. That means they can eat anything. And some people think that we can find the But we're totally wrong. You can even find them in the city, especially for people living in the US and Canada. You can find them in their gardens, searching for their favorite food. And you know, they are very intelligent, extremely intelligent animals. Just take a look under their eyes. You will notice that they have this black mask under their eyes. Yeah, it will help them very well during the night time to reflect the light. And now we can see the other raccoon for this side. What we saw a while ago here, he's trying to wash his food. He's drawing now, and let's wait for him. Take a look on their long tail. Actually, they have black print on their tail, as we have our own fingerprint. Even for that, they have their own fingerprint. Now, let's put our hands together for our raccoon. Tell me guys, are you having fun so far? I'm not sure. Are you having fun? Great. Now, let's go and stage another feather friend. But this time, one of the heaviest birds in our planet. Here we go with our great white pelican. Wow, nice landing, yeah? The great white pelican, even if they are heavy and giant, but if we think that these birds, they are not affected from a lot of human industries in the wild to find their favorite food, like because of the pollution and overfishing, we are totally wrong. But you know, the pelicans, they are opportunistic feeders. It means they will not just stick in one thing in their diet. So if their natural habitat, like a large lake, will not provide them with their food, they are ready to fly to fish farm and see their food from there. The pelicans, they are very clever and smart birds. So let's give them a big round of applause, our giant pelicans. You know guys, we as humans, we're taking a lot from the nature, more than we really deserve. Exactly like the birds in the back. So tell me guys, what birds do we have here? Parrots? Yeah, correct. But specifically they are called macaw. And all of us, we see them, they are locked in small cages because they sell them as pets. But did you know that they are very good flyers? Yeah? So if you don't believe me, let's worship together, flying all over the area. Come on, here you go! we have the blue and gold macaw, and the one flying here is the military macaw, and the big one on the side is our green wings macaw. Now, let's give them big round of applause, our beautiful macaws. and of course Dubai Safari Park. And if you want to learn more about the natural behavior of the animals, like we're going to show you now. So be ready with your camera and let's go on stage. The Karate! Now on stage, this is the Karate. Some people know them by Karate Mandi. They are tree climbing mammals and they have sharp claws that will help them to climb on trees. Their long tail is very helpful for them. It helps them to hold their balance so they will not fall out of trees. You know, these animals, they are omnivores. That means they can eat anything. Now we're feeding them some fruit, banana and watermelon. But even though they can eat mealworms, insects and all kinds of food. Just take a look on this noisy pig. Yeah? They can rotate it to up to 60 degrees, just trying to find their food in the wild. Can we do that? I'm not sure we can do that, yeah? And just take a look on this long tail. If you remember the one with the raccoon, they have also the same circle. They have their own fingerprint. Now, let's give them a big round of applause. Our Karate Mundi. The Karate Mundi, they are cute animals, right? Yeah? But still, they are wild animals. Some people think by keeping a wild animal at home may look like fascinating, but actually it's not. It will cause a lot of problems. First, it's unethical. Second, it's illegal. And third, it's unsafe. So why not, instead of that, we can set and have domestic pet. And tell me, who do you think is the man's best friend? Dogs, you're right. Let's bring on our dog. And this is Courage. Courage is our corgi. Now, let's see what he shows today with trainer cat.